Hey guys, Brian here from Slick Products. Today we're going to be showing you our wash kit. We're going to be washing this UTV here, showing you our 3-step process: the off-road wash, the cleaner and degreaser, and the shine and protectant. All right guys, so step 1 of the process, you're going to be using the off-road wash. This is a super concentrated solution. You want to mix it in either the foam cannon or the foam gun. Put about 2 to 4 ounces, mix it in a container, attach it, and you're ready to go. Before we start applying the off-road wash, when it's really muddy like this, you're gonna wanna just do a really quick pre-rinse, just to let it get off some of the really heavy stuff that's stuck under the fenders and by the wheels and rims. As you can see, there's like bigger chunks that fell off it on the ground. That's what you wanna do. So you apply the off-road wash using the foam cannon. We're gonna foam it up. Once you apply it, let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then you're gonna use either your wash mitt or the scrub brush just to agitate the surfaces a little bit and loosen it. And then we'll hose it down. We're gonna move on to step 2. This is the cleaner and degreaser. This is pH balanced, non-corrosive product. You can spray it on plastic, vinyl, rubber, metal, aluminum parts. It will not corrode it. What you want to do is hit tires, rims, any areas that really just have some nasty grime. This will definitely help take a lot of that off. So just spray a little bit on and then agitate it with the brush and we'll rinse. So after you've done that, we're going to move on to step 3. First part of this is you want to dry the vehicle and then apply a nice even coating of the multi-surface shine and protectant to plastic, rubber, vinyl, any other areas you want that'll help give it that nice shine. Next time you go out, you also want to just give it a nice little coat down just under the fenders and in the main areas where mud builds up. All right guys, so there you have it. As you can see, following the 3-step process makes your cleanup faster and easier. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.